So a while back, we asked you to send us your best clips for this little project we are working on. That project is called Remember That Time in Australia. We are so thankful for all your clips and comments, so as promised, here are the best things to do in Australia as recommended by you guys. Australia is home to many breathtaking landscapes. There are ancient wonders like the pinnacles and some of the most beautiful national parks and sunsets that look straight out of a wallpaper. There is just an abundance of natural wonders in Australia that you can't find anywhere else in the world. And man, you guys have seen some really amazing places. And actually, we've yet to cover all of these places that you've shared with us, so we really can't wait to cross all of your recommendations off our bucket list. It's going to take a long time, but we'll get there eventually. Making new friends is always one of the highlights whenever we travel, and we are so happy to see that you really have made yourselves comfortable with all the friendly locals. Some of them are really cute, but some of them can get really cheeky. Gliding alongside beautiful marine life is one memory that you cannot forget. And hey, what is Australia without saying hi to the koalas and the kangaroos? You really don't get hospitality like this anywhere else. We received submissions from quite a few adrenaline junkies, and you guys have had some wild adventures. We received clips from you guys jumping out of planes, people kayaking amidst stunning landscapes, and quad biking through the dunes. It's pretty awesome to see that so many of your trips are packed with such thrilling adventures, and we are so ready to try them out in the future. Okay, fun fact, half of the submissions we received were all food. Well, who doesn't travel for food? Because we certainly do. You went from the bustling Fremantle markets to shucking the freshest oysters over at Freycinet Marine Farm. You've tasted the finest ingredients, the freshest produce, and lots of wine. And I promise you, we were drooling the whole time looking at your clips. In our opinion, one of the best ways to explore Australia is to grab some friends, rent a car, and go on an epic road trip. And it seems that some of you guys think the same way too. There are so many scenic drives, from the Great Beach Drive to coasting by pink waters along the Coral Corner Drive. Endless roads, passing by the most gorgeous views, and surrounded by people you love the most. What's there not to like about road trips? So again, we'd like to thank each and every one of you that sent in your favorite memories from Australia. We really enjoyed taking a trip down memory lane, and we hope that you had some fun reliving some of your favorite moments from Australia as well. Honestly, we can't wait to be back again and maybe even try out some of the things that you guys have recommended. So till then, stay safe, take care, and thank you so much for making this video possible. Bye bye.